Hello, you're welcome on how to solve such an amazing maths problem. So let's now start with our solution. So on working it out, you can also try it on your own so that now we shall compare the answers that shall got at the end of this video. So the first thing that you need to introduce is the log on both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of x is equals to the log of 120. So when you have, for example, the log of m to the power of p, so we can still have this one as p, the log of m. So here now we shall here have it as x, the log of 8 is equals to the log of 120. So for us to remain with x in this side, we shall divide both sides by the log of 8, and also this side by the log of 8. So let's now cancel it out. So log 8 and log 8 shall cancel, so that the value for x is equals to the log of 120, then all over the log of 8. So let's now do the factorization part, so that now we can get our answers into its simplest form. So the value for x now shall be equals to, so log 120 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 30 into bracket, then all over the log of 8. So assuming that we have the log of a multiplied by the log of b, so according to the law of exponential equation, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So since we know how we can have mastered this one, now we can now have it as, so x is equals to, so now we shall have it as the log of 4, then plus the log of 30, then all of this all over the log of 8. So we shall proceed by now having this as the value for x is equals to, so log 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2 plus, so the log of 30 can be written as the log of, so we can still have this one as the log of 6 multiplied by 5, then into bracket there, then all over the log of 8. So next x now shall be, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 2, then plus, so here now shall have the log of 6, then plus the log of 5, then all of this we shall have it all over the log of 8. So let's now divide both sides by the log of 8. So here the value for x is equals to, so we shall now have it as 2, the log of 2, then all over the log of 8, then plus, so log 6 can still be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 8, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 8. So finally we shall say that the value for x is equals to, so we can still have this one as 2, the log of 2, then all over the log of 8, then plus, so here now we shall have the log of 3 plus the log of 2, then all over the log of 8, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 8. So now the value for x is equals to 2, the log of 2 all over the log of 8, then plus, so in this case here we shall now have the log of 3 all over the log of 8, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 8, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 8. So when you have, for example, the log a there all over the log of b, so when you want to work it out according to the law of logarithm, you can still have it as the log of a to the base of b. So meaning that our final answer for the value for x shall now say that the value for x, that is our answer, now shall be is equals to, so we shall now have it as 2, the log of 2 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 3 to the base of 8 plus the log of 2 to the base of 8, then finally plus the log of 5 to the base of 8. So that means that this now qualifies to be our correct value for x on this maths problem. So unless you had a different answer. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's now confirm this maths problem first. So this one was our question. So we had 8 to the power of x is equals to 120. So instead of writing x, we shall write the number that we got. So that means that we shall now have it as 8 to the power of 2, the log of 2 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 3 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 8 is equals to 120. So we can write it properly by now having it as, when you have the 8 to the power of 2 log 2, we shall now have it as log 2 to the power of 2, that is log 4 base 8. So let's rewrite it by now having it as 8 to the log of 4 to the base of 8. So plus means its multiplication, again 8 to the power of the log of 3 to the base of 8. Plus means multiplication, again 8 to the power of the log of 2 to the base of 8. Again plus means multiplication, 8 to the power of the log of 5 to the base of 8 is equals to 120. So let's now work it out very fast. So the log to the base of 8 cancel this 8. So now it shall remain with 4. So now we shall have 4 multiplied by log to the base of 8 cancel this 8. Now we shall have 3 multiplied by log to the base of 8 cancel this 8. Now we shall have 2 multiplied by log to the base of 8 cancel this 8. Now we shall now have 5 is equals to 120. So let's now confirm if this answer brings 120. So in this case, when you work it out, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Then, so this one is 12. Then 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So 12 multiplied by 10 is 120. So that means that we have 120 is equals to 120. So it means that the answer that we got up there was correct. When you say that the value for x, in this case, I repeat it, is equals to 2, the log of 2 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 3 to the base of 8, then plus again the log of 2 to the base of 8, then finally plus the log of 5 to the base of 8. So if you get an answer that is not this one, then it means that there was a mistake that you made somewhere while you're working out this maths problem.